This week we are sailing toward the most popular islands just off Sicily, and it's pure chaos. Armadas of boats are piling up all around us, and the waves are so big we actually have to wait before jumping into the crystal clear water. But things are looking up because we finally caught fish while sailing. After a peaceful night anchored beneath a massive mountain, we head ashore to explore Grotta Mangiapane, a hidden cave village where time has completely stopped. Welcome to Sailing Prosperity. We left the freezing cold and windy Norway, and we are sharing our journey with you. Ready for jaw-dropping adventures, mind-blowing places, and a whole lot of fun from our family of 5. Whether you're here for the magic sunsets, epic challenges, or just a good laugh, we've got you covered. Hit that subscribe button and join us in this incredible journey. Let's make every second count. Look at this. Oh my god, we just got crossed by 2, 4, 6 motorboats. Oh my. Oh my. I don't know what to say. What is this?
That's beautiful.
What is this?
It's a really cool.
Yes. This is cool. I don't know what to say. We do seem to find the tourist spots, that's for sure. Look at this. Yes, Caroline? Okay, I'm just filming all the boats.
Yeah, but follow me. I have something to show you.
You have something to...
Water.
Oh yeah? What did you find? And they just keep coming. Look at this.
Mom, it's not this. Ah.
Hold on.
Wow.
Yeah. That's underwater. Look how clear the water is.
Yeah, I found a secret.
Yeah, maybe we can dive down to that.
No, I don't think. But I think you can.
Okay. This must be one of the worst places we've been. And everybody's just speeding around.
There's a smell or something.
It's the buoy. And Selena got a new toy. Let's see what you got.
Yeah, sure, totally.
It's her birthday present.
Victoria!
Oh, she's on the toilet. Wow.
I will go poo.
Yeah, we need to blow it up first. We even got an electric pump for this big thing.
Papa,
Yes.
den är beina.
Oh, no, you're not. You have to go and put on your swimming suit.
Why?
We are going swimming. Look at this. It's the wrong way.
No?
Yes.
No, there. You can blow it up there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
the wrong way.
Perfect. show us the moves.
Er dette da?
Okay. Ja.
All right.
Ja, på det sånn.
Caroline, can you run on it?
Huh?
Can you run on it?
I did it, but I can jump one time. So later down. Move! This thing is very big for that.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Okay. Det går bra. Det gjør det. Det gjør det bra.
Dina pappa er sikre.
Sikre. Sånn.
Ikke beveg deg.
Jeg er snart død. Ja! Kommer du ut igjen, eller? Is it too cold?
I'm coming.
Jeg ble så slett i dag.
Jeg filmer, pappa. Hva var det?
Nice little fish.
Jeg vil se!
De går. I can't hold it.
First fish in months. Finally, we're able to eat again.
I think you have to get a couple of more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm on it.
But it's a nice one. What kind of fish is this? Do you know?
I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. Take a picture of it and ask GPT. Alright, so we left the dinghy on the beach. Our sailboat is on anchor. We are ready to do some exploring.
To see in the grass.
Yeah, we are going into the caves on land. That's cool.
I'm getting...
Are you looking like a princess? And you brought your little princess? Oh, that's cute. Alright, let's see what we can find. So girls, can you guess how tall that mountain is?
No.
How tall do you think the mountain is, Victoria?
90 meters.
90 meters.
I think it is
19.
31.
31 meters. And mommy?
900.
900 meters.
100.
And Selena?
The same as mom.
All right. And the answer is... It is 659 meters tall.
There's a car coming. I can hear it all from here. Same.
Luckily, we are not going to that top. We are going into that mountain over there. We don't have to go to the top.
Ja, vi kommer til å ta for oss, så jeg er kjempenær med det.
Check out this mountain.
En sånn dragefotter. Knallrosa. Det er dragefot.
Whoa.
Au.
Okay, this is going to be cool. Let's go inside and see what they have. Oh wow. So this is where probably a horse went around and around and they were crushing the weed, making flour. That is cool.
No, kind of. But I feel sad for the horses.
Maybe they used donkey. Yes. Peacocks here.
så på ett gärna och så att den ska hänga där.
Men det är en steg med...
And now we are actually inside.
The boat is...
Well, it just continues. So many rooms, different things in every room. And here was where the family lived in the 1950s, actually. I'm not going in there. This is just so cool. It's not even 100 years since people lived here. 50 years ago, they still lived here. The cave is on the outside, it's 70 meters high and 50 meters deep. Come and look. This is where they kept the horses, so they had a cool place to be, not be too warm. So here they could eat and relax in the shadow.
Nice. Look, there's a saddle. Or I think it's a saddle. That's a saddle.
I'm taking myself and taking with my phone. But I have legs.
That's all for now. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from us. And if you hit the alert button as well, you will get notified whenever we release a new video.